Hello girls, I'm Ruchita from FOMO Fashion on my own. Today I'm going to touch upon the basics of eye makeup, the right application method and some useful tips, so keep watching. If you tend to wear your eye makeup for long, you need an eye primer to prevent your eyeshadow from creasing. This product is a must-have if you have oily eyelids. Alternatively, you could use your foundation or concealer and follow it up with some powder to make your eyeshadow stay for longer. Now coming to the various eyeshadow brushes. It's amazing how the use of different brushes can give you different results. If you are a beginner, you can start with this eyeshadow applicator. An eyeshadow sponge applicator like this is best for pressed eyeshadow and for eyeshadow that might not be very pigmented and so needs more pressure to be applied on the eyelid. Also, these applicators help to accentuate a certain color or place on the eye, whereas an eyeshadow brush gives a more professional finish. Makes it easier to blend the colors and to even out any harsh lines the eyeshadow creates. They come in range of different sizes, thickness, etc. The right way to pick up eyeshadow is using a flat brush like this and gliding over lightly or pressing it in this way. Eyeshadows come in various shades, but you only need 3 or 4 of them to create a basic look. Let's take this quad for an instance. Taking the lightest shade on the flat brush, apply on the inner corner, here's a trick to highlight the eye duct area. Take the brush and dip the tip in water, and then take some eyeshadow and apply it to the inner corners. See the difference? Then take the same shade to highlight the brow bone. If you don't want it to be too shimmery like me, you can gently wipe it off like this using your ring finger. Next, take the medium tone, keeping your eyes open, and apply it above the crease, starting with the outer corners and working inwards. After this, we need to contour. Take the darkest shade on the tip of the brush and apply on the outer corner into the outer crease this way. Then take a fluffy brush and blend it all to remove any harsh lines. Next, I'm taking a mix of light and medium tone and applying it under the eye like this. Then taking the darkest shade again, I'm applying on the outer edge, keeping it close to the lash line and slightly sweeping it on the lower lash line as well. Finally, I'm completing this look with some kajal and mascara. One thing to avoid while applying mascara is pumping the brush, as this only fills in air, making it dry quicker. So ladies, now you know the basics of how to do eye makeup the right way. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. And for more such videos, subscribe to FOMO Fashion online.